Welcome to aminacademy.com. In engineering economics, let us do the introduction to basic economics first. What is economics? Some introduction will do. Economics is the study of scarcity and its implication for the use of resources, production of goods and services, growth of production and welfare over time, and a great variety of other complex issues of vital concern to society. Economics is inequality includes income inequality, measure the using of the distribution of income, the amount of money people receive, and wealth inequality measures using the distribution of wealth, the amount of wealth the people own, and other measures such as consumptions, land ownership, and human capital. Inequality exists at different extent between countries or states, groups of people, and individuals. There are many methods for measuring inequality, that is Gini coefficient being widely used for income differences among the individuals. An example that measures of inequality between countries is the inequality adjusted human development index, a composite index that takes inequality into account. Important concepts of equality include equity, equality of outcome, and equality of opportunity. Economics is the science that deals with the production and consumption of goods and services and the distribution and rendering of these for human welfare. The following are the economic goals, that is high level of employment, price stability, efficiency, and equitable distribution of income, growth. Some of the above goals are independent. The economic goals are not always complementary. In many cases, they are in conflict. For example, any move to have a significant reduction in unemployment will lead to an increase in inflation. Next, we'll discuss about the circular flow model of economics. It demonstrates how money moves through the society. Money flows from producers to workers as wages and flows back to producers as payment for products. In short, an economy is an endless circular flow of money. That is the basic form of the model, but actual money flows are more complicated. Money flows clockwise while goods, services, and resources flow out counterclockwise. That means money flows one direction, that is a clockwise, and goods, services, and resources flow counterclockwise. That means opposite to what money flows. The circular flow model is simple tool for learning about the economy. It shows the relationship between households and business and how these different decision makers is the economy fit together. This is some complication flow of the circular flow of the money is given here. The flow of goods, services, resources, and money payment in a simple economy is given here. Households and businesses are the two major entities in a simple economy. Business organizations uses various economic resources like land, labor, and capital, which are provided by households to produce consumer goods and services which will be used by them. Business organizations make payment of money to the households for receiving various resources. The households in turn make payment of money to business organizations for receiving consumer goods and services. This cycle shows the interdependence between the two major entities in a simple economy. So far we discussed about basic introduction to some basic economics. In further videos we'll discuss about its further details of engineering economics. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.